Miles, Santa came under the Christmas tree.
Yeah. Hey! Like this? Like this parts?
Look at that.
Clink. Hey, sheep! Hey, like this.
That's your stocking.
On the stocking.
Yeah.
That's on the stocking.
Good. Look at that.
And what is that? What else is over there by the sheep? What's he sitting on?
A sheep.
A little chair, just your size?
He jumped.
He jumps. Can you have a kiss?
Look at that.
Look at those eyes.
There's a doggy in there. So I'm doggy. Hey! What else? Hey, presents! Presents! Is that presents under the tree?
There's presents under the tree?
Yeah. Can we get this?
Yes, I will. What's in there? Is there something in there?
Yeah.
Do you need help?
Yeah. Can we get it?
You hold on to it and I'll pull the stocking. Reach in there and grab it. Or you can just dump it. Like this. Can you pull it out now? There.
What's in there?
Open it right up.
Hey!
What's in there?
And the car.
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Well, what's in the other green packages? Can you rip it? Do you need help?
Yeah. Let's open it.
Here, open it from the back. Can you open that?
Picture.
A picture? That's all it is?
2 cars.
2 cars.
They match.
Was anything else in there?
Nope.
Nope. Then what's this bump? What's in there?
I don't know. I'll find out. I'll find out.
Let's find out.
Yeah. Oh, me, Mommy.
Of course. Want me to get it started for you?
Yeah. Is it what's in this, Daddy?
I don't know.
A car.
Show it to Daddy.
Ooh.
An auto car. An auto big car.
Wow.
Not an auto big car.
Zoom, zoom.